The question is no longer what to do. The question is timing. Can Earth restoration be executed in 10 years? The answer is yes, if it is treated as an industrial operation, not a moral campaign. Global restoration does not require simultaneous action everywhere. It requires sequencing. The first 2 years focus on mobilization. Land agreements, seed and nursery expansion. Labor training, logistics corridors. Nothing grows yet at scale. Infrastructure comes first. Years 3 to 7 are the acceleration phase. This is where the curve bends. Planting scales exponentially, not linearly. Each year builds on the previous one. Nurseries feed nurseries. Labor trains labor. Systems replicate. By year 5, the system is self-propagating. Carbon drawdown does not wait for completion. It begins immediately and compounds annually. Years 8 to 10 are stabilization. Maintenance replaces expansion. Survival rates rise. Soil systems mature. Local climates begin correcting. This is where atmospheric effects become measurable. The critical constraint is not biology, it is coordination. Human systems fail when projects are fragmented. They succeed when they are modular and repeatable. Earth restoration is modular. Each biome is independent. Each hectare is measurable. Each outcome is verifiable. This is not a single global project. It is millions of identical local ones. 10 years is not optimistic. It is conservative. If execution replaces debate,